This is Warren Prince, Garage Edition. So today on Warren Prince, I've headed out to the garage. In my 3D printing area, I have fluorescent tubes lighting up the space. And I wanted to try and find a better way to light it up, and I hate the buzzing noise that the fluorescent tubes make. And so a while ago I bought some LED lights and I put them in my fluorescent lights. So these are just a LED tube that goes directly in. And I recently bought a case of these because I want to convert more of the fluorescent lights I have, especially in my garage here. And so what I want to do is I want to see if it actually saves you energy to remove the ballast out of the fluorescent light. I know that they will run both ways because in my 3D printing space, I have the ballast in right now and I just screwed in these lights and away I went. So let's get some actual numbers. I'm going to make a little setup here and we will find out. So the first thing I want to do is I want to build a little setup so that I can turn the lights on and on, also known as a switch. And I want it so I can just plug it into my outlet and I can have a switch to control it. I can have wires to put my testers on and I can have that going to a fluorescent light. So, are you ready? Here's my first ever build montage. Yeah! Okay, now that I got that done, I'm going to use my multimeter here to see what kind of current we're drawing. All right. So we'll go to AC current. 0 out. 0.7 of an amp. I want to try and get a more accurate number. Give me a second. So, I don't know if you can see that from here, but that is 0.7475 amps going through here. Okay, well, 0.75 amps. So now let's take out these fluorescent tubes, put in some LEDs, and see if that changes at all. All right, here we go. Always plug it in. All right, here we go for sure this time. Okay, so right now these are using 0.94. As you can see, I got the yellow light. I wanted to use these indoors, so I wanted a more iridescent light. So that's actually more amperage than before. So now let's try bypassing the ballast. All right, now that we got it all wired up and plugged back in, let's turn it on and see. The light's a whole lot better and the power consumption's gone down quite a bit. It's down to 0.28 of an amp. That's significant. It definitely runs better without the ballast in them. And as a matter of fact, on the website, it did say that these were specifically for a ballast bypass. But like I said before, it did work just by putting them in the socket. That's better. So there you go. If you want to upgrade the lighting in your 3D printer room or in your garage or wherever in your home, the LED replacement bulbs actually work really well. Buying these in bulk, they cost about $8 Canadian a piece. And I'm really excited to use them. The only thing is, take the ballast out. It's not too hard of a job. Just make sure you get the wires right. Dispose of the old ballast properly. You're not supposed to just throw them out. You can take them into an electrical supply store and they usually take them back. And hope that works for your 3D printing area. If you have any other comments or any suggestions, please let me know down below. And I hope you found this illuminating. Aha! Thanks for watching. Bye.